Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can close your store in Shopify in a few steps. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click on settings right here, and when you're going to be settings, you want to click on plan and permissions, and when you're going to be in plans and permissions, you're going to see here store status, and you want to click here on close store. And now all you have to do is just write here the password for like closing the store, and then just press confirm. Of course, I'm not going to close my store, but you get the idea how we can close it. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.